It's such a beautiful day today, and it feels like spring. So I decided to take a ride down to the lake and just share in God's beauty and just enjoy just a moment in nature today. And I wanted to share this with you guys. It's so peaceful here and serene. And I'm just glad that I have a place like this where I can come, where it's not far from where I live, and I can just enjoy it. You know, a nice, quiet, peaceful Sunday. And as you can see across from the lake, they're doing some construction. They're building some houses over there. So it's gonna be, I guess you could call it lakefront property. So just wanted to have a chance to come out here and share. And you can hear the birds chirping. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's a little windy, but the temperature feels great. And you can tell that spring is almost approaching, March 20th. And 4 days after that, I'll be celebrating my solar return, my Earth Day, my birthday, and just so excited. So yeah, so let me take this off. So just out here in nature, getting an opportunity to enjoy nature just for a little bit. All right, guys. Wishing you all a beautiful day. Peace and love.